Hello everyone, Dan keep it Jeet, Kune, Physiology and more, and today is day 4 of shoulder training. Got my days mixed up for some reason. I thought yesterday was Thursday, pretty much all day. So I kind of got a little screwed up on that, so I do apologize. Today is day 4 of shoulder training. What I'd like to show you today is resistance band. Now this is not a full resistance band. See that little knot there? This actually come out of a cool little piece of equipment I used to have until the resistance band snapped. It actually was some gloves, actual like fingerless punching gloves, had some padding, didn't really need the padding, but I liked it because this resistance band, this was an advanced, there was a beginners and advanced. This advanced resistance band went through the actual gloves themselves, so when you punched, it was behind your back like this. Okay, it's a little bit too short. I can still kind of do some punches with it, but I decided to keep the piece of resistance band I had. So what are resistance bands good for? They are very good, especially for, they're going to use them a lot in physical therapy because they do provide resistance, but they don't provide a tremendous amount of resistance like weights do. You don't have to worry about having to do the proper form, technique, keep your balance if you have poor balance. If you have a weak core, you don't have to worry about having a strong core. Thing is, you can do practically anything with these things, okay? Practically anything. One movement I would really want to show you, this comes from a physical therapist I follow on YouTube. Again, the same one that also has the same practice. And one of the best things you can do for your shoulders with the resistance band, and I'd recommend doing this probably, before you go to bed, wake up in the morning, especially if you have shoulder issues, impingement, any type of shoulder injury. You do want to be careful. If you feel an excruciating amount of pain, don't go that far. If you can only go this far, then just go that far, okay? Go little by little and hold there, okay? But the thing is, you want to try to go all the way back like this. I'll show you from the side too. Come in with your hands just a little bit so you can get a good amount of resistance on it. And come back here. Come back slow. Come back here, touch your chest. Okay, from the side. So like this, okay? And you can feel it in your shoulders, okay? You can really feel it in your posterior or rear shoulders. You can feel it in your back when you come forward a little bit, okay? Very, very good exercise for strengthening the shoulders and helping with the overall mobility of the shoulders, okay? There's other things we can do too. So if you have a resistance band that's long enough, be very careful. But you can actually go like this and hold on to it really tight, and you can actually do punches. So here, and you're going to feel it pull on this hand. Don't let that hand pull back. Keep that hand stable, okay? Because that's going to provide more resistance on the arm. The shoulder of the arm you're actually trying to strengthen. So you switch sides here. Hold on to this one. Don't let it move back like that, okay? You can come forward and you can do back and forth. You can do combinations. You can do whatever, okay? I used to do things like this all the time, and now I realize this is actually long enough for some of the things that I honestly could be doing. So there's a resistance band for it. You can even do things like putting it on like a doorknob or some type of bar or something where you can do all types of movements, all types of angles. The thing is with angles, Bruce Lee strongly believed in angles. I strongly believe in angles because when you simply when you simply change the angle of an exercise, it's going to, honestly, number one, it's going to shock your muscles. Number two, it's going to affect and strengthen your muscles in different ways because not all your muscle striations face the same way. So you're working different striations. You're confusing the body. Muscle confusion is one of the best ways to grow, develop, and gain that strength. So let's get out there, stay motivated. Believe in yourself, believe you can do it, and believe that you deserve it. Let's get out there. Let's go.